So, do the hiring managers really know what they want when they draft the first version of the job description?
Yeah, so you asked two questions. Do they know what they want? And secondly, whether they write it in the job description. So probably let's give them the benefit of doubt and say that, okay, the hiring managers know what they want. But when it comes to writing the job description, they often delegate it to someone, maybe someone in their own business unit or maybe somebody from HR. And for someone who's not so familiar with what is really required, the safest bet is to include everything, right? I mean, so it's like bucket list of everything that is there. And when it goes to the recruiters, it completely confuses the recruiter because, you know, it's obvious from the job description that what is being asked is a unicorn and such a unicorn is not available. But hoping against hope, the recruiters, they say, okay, let's try. Let's try sending some candidates and, see if something pleases the hiring manager. And, in this whole process, a lot of time is lost, a lot of efforts are lost, a lot of interviewers' time is lost. So when we approached Rezoomex said that, look, we have a system where we give a suitability score. So it's all right. I mean, you can always conclude that a unicorn is not available. But instead of that, which is who's coming closest to what is being demanded, right? So the suitability score gives you what is the fitment, who among this bunch of candidates is coming closest to what is demanded. And that suitability score can be used to rank the candidates in the descending order of suitability. Then you go with the top 3 or 4 candidates to the hiring manager. If they don't fit or if they don't pass, then in that case, you can always say that, look, what you're asking is not available. So you need to either lower the bar, okay, or we can simply conclude that what is needed is not required, right? In this particular case, what the hiring manager realized was he hadn't written the job description himself. And so he made the changes that were needed. And what he needed was really, really very different from what was written in the job description. And it was more easy and available as compared to job description. So this corrective step is necessary to be taken, and it would not have been taken if we had not given the pushback saying that, look, these are the best candidates we have. If not these, then you don't have, right? So that's how the suitability score and the ranking helped us to get the right job description from the hiring manager.